Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 BMW 330i xDrive. So, this one's powered by the turbocharged 255 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque. So, good amount of power. Obviously, tons of fun to drive. And this isn't even an M Sport. Although it does have the M Sport steering wheel. All right. Look at this thing. So, love this gauge cluster, these are raised above the screen, and you can touch the screen. It's all right there. They are actual needles, so it's a good mix of digital analog. There we go, technology in action. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Let's go for a drive. So, 330i, entry-level 3 Series, I do believe. Obviously competing against the A4 and the C-Class. Now, you were to throw me the keys, put them on a table to all three. Which would I take? 330i. There's something just better about these cars. They drive better. It's just, I like them a lot more. But that does change once you start going S4, M3. Which do I like more? I've driven S4, I've driven M340i, M3, C63, C43, and it gets real close between those. But for base models, BMW is where it's at. Put it into sport mode for the acceleration. You can tell there's a ton of torque here. You got burbles and everything. I am just a fan of this thing. What else can I say? You know, I spent the night with this car. yeah, I love it. It's just a good car. So, I guess the real question is this the ultimate driving machine? No, it's not an M3. It's not even an M340i. But out of the big German 3 base model entry-level sedans, well, even not that, because you have the 2 Series. Out of the small sedans, is this the best one? If you like driving, I sure think it is. It's good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.